they're millennials. They always have, you know, they're always taking pictures of stuff. That's what I noticed about millennials, diba? So parang, in a way, it was, kasi like for example, sa She's the One, when we crafted that story, ang requirement talaga, yung third party was going to take a picture of Bea. At some point, we were thinking, should that be Ding Dong? But then I said, Ding Dong doesn't look like a guy na matutorpe, na kukuha ng picture ng gano'n. So we need a boy. So at that point, that was Ken. It was so natural for someone like him to do that.
Age of the selfie nga, di ba?
Age of selfie, di ba? So dito rin naman sa movie, well, part rin kasi ng trabaho niya, part ng trabaho niya na visual siyang naka-scooter na hindi lang
mga touches, mga past projects na Miss Van, nilagay ka talaga deliberately.
Come up with a new project for them. But what we just did, or what they did, because sila yung nagsulat nun, they just put in elements that were, you know, parang a play on their past projects. So parang, you know, it's reminiscent of, but it totally is different from their past projects. It's just like some elements. It's just a play. Yun lang.